Bullish Wax cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 64 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Waxp could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Wax market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Wax presentation. Numerous blockchain projects are arising with upgraded network design, diminished energy utilization, and another convention calculation to address the deficiencies of verification of work blockchains. Wax is one of the blockchain innovations that utilization a superior agreement strategy in view of evidence of work. All that you want to send off a fruitful decentralized application is accessible on the Wax stage. It was made as a blockchain with the particular goal of working with web-based business exchanges that were speedier, more secure, and simpler, fundamentally while exchanging wares utilized in computer games. By delivering and selling NFTs on the commercial center and utilizing Wax's blockchain to make decentralized application, pioneers can receive the rewards of the Wax undertaking's numerous functionalities and furnish clients with an assortment of play-to-procure gaming encounters. Likewise, Wax gives a decentralized NFT and computerized resource commercial center with an emphasis on carbon impartiality by taking on a designated evidence of stake component. In this blog, we will feature Wax, its specialized examination, and Waxp cost forecast. All the substance introduced in this blog fills educational needs. So remember to do your own examination on the normal gauge cost and verifiable information for a protected and wise speculation. What is Wax? An NFT blockchain and network token called Wax was explicitly made to accelerate, rearrange, and secure internet-based exchanges for all gatherings. Designated evidence of stake is the famous calculation utilized by the Wax blockchain, intended to work flawlessly with nodes. With the assistance of the one-of-a-kind highlights and prize framework made by Wax, the blockchain's convenience for web-based business is upgraded, and deciding in favor of societies and ventures is empowered. Moreover, various brands incline toward it over other computerized commercial centers in view of its particular mix of straightforwardness, security, and ecological cordiality. Wax elements. The convention's power token is called Waxp. Clients might get to the full Wax environment by opening a Wax Cloud wallet and adding Waxp tokens to it. You can purchase NFTs with the Waxp token and procure rewards like ETH and WAXG administration tokens by marking it. Wax NFTs. Wax's planned market for advanced products is the specific adaptation of virtual merchandise from computer games and perhaps tokenized things from client online business. The Wax blockchain furnishes clients with games, dApps, trades, commercial centers, and more to assist them with beginning a productive NFT assortment. Then, at that point, by managing, purchasing, and at last raising the value of their assortment, fans can utilize Roman 6 RLs to keep up with the value of their assortments. Wax current cost. Wax is right now worth 7 cents USD. Waxp has moved 4.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,866,177. Wax is right now positioned 160 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $181,908,400 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Wax to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Wax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Wax Value Forecast 2023. Wax, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Waxp cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Waxp is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Wax Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Wax Waxp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Waxp will before long outperform 19 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Waxp's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Waxp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 26 cents and Waxp might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. WAXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 24 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2025. Wax Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Wax effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the WAXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, WAXP will be green in 2026. The WAXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 34 cents, with a base cost of 30 cents and a typical cost of 32 cents. Wax Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the WAXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 39 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 38 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, WAXP has a most extreme value worth of 42 cents. Wax Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 47 cents. In the event that WAXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 49 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help WAXP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 45 cents. Wax Value Expectation 2029. While WAXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 53 cents and a yearly cost close above 57 cents in 2029. Wax Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Wax will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 61 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 64 cents. Averaging out at 62 cents. Wax Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest WAXP cost in 2031 is projected to be 74 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 71 cents. And the Wax, which focuses on the NFT and gaming ventures, has so far been useful in cultivating a climate where organizations of this nature can succeed. In addition, the promising guide and ability to execute enormous volumes of exchanges stand Wax cryptographic money among the most common-sense blockchains for any gaming and NFT project. There is no resistant to fizzle strategy to acquire a decent profit from exchanging Wax and other digital forms of money, as the crypto market is unpredictable. In this manner, to make Wax a beneficial venture, consistently check Wax value expectations and normal exchanging cost and get market experts' speculation